Hi, welcome to another edition of Shabbat Lounge, and come before you today and just have a few quick thoughts. And as always, I appreciate you listening, and I ask that you give me a comment, a like, a subscribe, a share if you find it to be meaningful to you in any way. Pass it on to someone else. And but once again, I thank you for listening to Shabbat Lounge. Well, I come before you on the spring morning outside and just admiring the greenness of spring. But this morning I listened to Steve Mutria on Torah Family on his YouTube presence, and he had a great post about arguing. And it's worth listening to. And in that post he just talks about how we should stay away from these fruitless arguments about things that we don't understand and don't know. And, we get engaged in crazy arguments sometimes about calendar, about what does this mean and that mean. And we definitely should pursue truth, but we shouldn't pursue truth at cutting off relationships with other people. And we just have to be careful. And even with our people that aren't in a Sabbath-keeping community, and maybe they're Christians still doing Sunday, honoring Sunday. Well, guess what? I was once there too. And if you're listening to this, chances are you were too. We have to be so careful when we speak to others that we try to lead them to the Father and not push them away. And we should say just enough to leave them wanting more without being in your face, arguing, and arguing just to argue, just to be right. Who cares if you're right? Does it matter? What if you find out this thing that you have thought you're so right about? Chances are 5 years from now you'll go, oh, that was so stupid. And you're arguing about it. So that is unfortunately what happens to most of us, is these truths we think we know now, only to find out years down the road we had no idea what we were talking about, or that there's other possibilities. And the deal is, when we're trying to describe spiritual things of the Father, the Bible clearly says His ways are not our ways, and we're trying to describe things beyond time, space, and human understanding, and trying to put them in a very limited context. And maybe we're only looking at something from one small perspective, and then it's true what we're saying. But oftentimes something else can be true about it as well. And so I encourage you to make peace with people that you know and love, and to lead them carefully in conversation, and not to argue just to argue, not to have to be right in a conversation, and just allow, maybe just learn to say a few things and kind of let that settle and say your piece, and don't destroy someone's peace for the sake of being right. But if you have a chance, I highly suggest you go listen to Steve Mutria off the cuff on Torah Family in the YouTube today. It's definitely worth your time and listening to. So anyway, that just kind of inspired me and made me think about some things, and I appreciate his words, and I thought you might too. So anyway, I appreciate you listening to Shabbat Lounge. Please, once again, give it a like, a comment, a share, a subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. And thank you again for listening to Shabbat Lounge.